What's up, guys? We back with another one, another panoramic install here locally in Albuquerque. We got a mega cab diesel Dodge Ram. This thing is badass. It's clean. We're gonna be doing a panoramic install, SRX panoramic. We're gonna be doing a starlight around the panoramic, so it's gonna look badass. Let's get to it. The usual. Start taking down the headliner, all the parts, get everything off of it, start getting our center line, and then we'll go from there. You know what it is. Alright. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Start taking the headliner, consoles, lights, clips, everything. Take it all down. Take the headliner out. Alright, I'll kick you back on once I get everything out. Alright guys, we got everything removed. You can see I cover everything with welding blankets for sparks and any of that. Take care of the interior. Got it all covered up. And start the cutting on the top. Alright guys, we got the body work all done. It's time to install the panoramic. That way it can set in and we don't have to take it out no more. Then all we have left is run the hose lines, the drain lines, put the headliner back in so that way we can cut it out to fit the panoramic. Then we'll wrap it in new fabric and install it. Well, before we do that, we do need to install starlights on it. So that's gonna be the next thing. But bodywork's done. Let's check it out. Bodywork's done. All right, this is SRX panoramic. These are pretty big. Actually, it looks like it's bigger than the one I have on my truck. Mine's a Jeep Cherokee. Alright guys, let's install the panoramic. Alright guys, we got the panoramic installed. We got the headliner cut out to fit all around the panoramic. We got the little slots cut out for the drain tubes. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. Everything looks good. And we're gonna take it out, wrap it in the new fabric, and then start getting it ready for starlights. Alright guys, the install's been done. Everything is installed. Starlights came out badass. I still think I would have went with the black suede, but yeah, this truck does have nothing black for the interior. Everything is like a light brown tan, but starlights always look, it looks badass. Starlights always look better with black, especially with the suede. Gives it that look of the sky. This thing's badass. Sounds like a jet. But here she is. Starlights all around. Badass. Real nice. Damn. Sick. And what I do like about these SRX panoramics is that the glass slides on top instead of under the cab. Gives it a little look to it. Then the front has that wind reflector. Badass, another badass install. SRX panoramic. I like this panoramic. Mine, Jeep Cherokee, the glass slides inside. I would actually prefer it to to slide on top. It just gives the top cab another look of something up there, especially with this. It's got the wind reflector. I do need to grease it up, put some grease in there. That way everything slides good. But yeah, she is, guys. Another one done. Mega cab, panoramic, sunshade, SRX panel. Call a customer up, let them know it's done. Alright.